Welcome back guys, and today let's see about the prompt string. To know about prompt string, first let me open Ideal Python, which I have already installed in laptop. So now let me maximize it. Now go to file and click new file so that you'll get an untitled space that you can work and see about it. Now first let's see about with prompt string. Prompt string is nothing that much difficult thing. It's just a statement or a message to the user to know what input can be given. Like if you're giving a prompt string, the user can easily understand that okay, this kind of input is what we want to give, like that. That's it. Before this, importantly, I want to say about its format, that is variable equal to input prompt string. It's nothing like variable a is equal to input, and prompt string will say what you have to enter, like that. This is what its format. Let's continue. I have given here as city equal to input, enter your city. Here city is what variable. You can also give as ABC, whatever. And input and enter your city is the prompt string, because that gives you the knowledge that you want to enter, like that. So that's the prompt string. So now I'm giving as print I'm from and city, or else you can change it as variables as ABC I said, right? So you can change also. Now let me save this. I have already said we have to save using the extension .py. After saving, give run. Now we got as enter city Madurai. Yes, it's right. Even if you are giving city, it's not a problem. You'll get the answer. Now let me give as city instead of a, and we'll get the same thing, but simply let's try. It's asking enter your city, so I'm entering as Madurai. If it's not asking as city, then people will be thinking, or the user will be thinking what I have to enter. So hope at this place you understand the use of the prompt string. Let me also show you that without prompt string what we'll be doing, what the user will be doing. Let's see about it. Now here let me just take that prompt string that we have given as enter your city, right? That's the prompt string that will give the idea to the user that they want to enter about their city. Now let's take that away. Now I'm just simply giving as a is equal to input, just open and close parenthesis, print I am from and a. So they won't be thinking that they have to enter their country or the place name. So let me just save this and run this. Simply we'll be getting that output screen. So the user don't know what to enter, simply they'll enter and see something like hi, or else their name, something else, whatever is coming in their mind, they'll be simply enter and seeing that. So it won't give a meaningful output. It's like I'm from hi, something like that. So without prompt string it's coming now, they won't know that they want to enter this particular information. So that's the biggest disadvantage when you are not using the prompt string. Hope this video gave you an idea about prompt string. Then for learning more in Python, just subscribe our channel and follow us here. Then most importantly, if you are just seeing this, then go and work and see, because that will give a more knowledge and more understanding about this, and you won't forget if you are doing and seeing this.